Also, guys, I'm back with another bike check, or the continuous of the Verde bike check part 3. I have new stuff like I told you guys before, as you probably could tell the difference, yeah. New parts, I'm going to go right now. Vans waffle grip. My coat leader bars, which are new, I just have them, so I'm just telling you guys everything over again. Animal barns and burnt orange. Odyssey race forks, still that's a new part. Same front rim shadow stem laced up the Primo spokes with the Primo Info L and salt pegs. Still stock tires, but these stock tires are actually pretty good, I have to say. Still the same Verde prism frame. I've only had it for like a week. Same salt cranks, shadowed Ravenger pedals now in white. Another new part is my Odyssey MDS sprocket. My KMC chain, Shadow Ravenger pedal. I still have the same premium seat, or premium that I don't know what the hell it is. Now I have my free coaster back, or at least got a different one. Alienation PBR back rim, salt pegs, shadow hub guard, stock tire in the back. Still waiting for my dual centers to come in. And pretty much that's my whole bike. Oh, a new integrated headset. It's Sputnik. Other than that, the only thing I should be changing is this seat. Like, put maybe a premium fat boy on here. That's about it. So I only got 3 things. I have dual center tires, premium seat, and that's about it. So thanks guys for watching this, and peace.